Alright guys, I really don't understand what's going on with my microphone. I don't understand why it wasn't recording any audio, but let's get into the vehicle. So today me and Cooley, aka Purple Falcon, we went to the hospital to visit Jax. Now some of you may know, but Jax is the one, or Jax is one of the person who met in the accident last week, Tuesday, March 29th. He and another brethren of mine, Naj aka Cuckoo, they were both involved in the accident. So today we are gonna look for Jax up at the hospital. So just journey with me as we go along. Alright guys, so we just take a little time and we are cruising to our destination, as you can see. Alright, so on the left we have Cooleyman on his brand new Rebel 250. Yes, Cooley and Jax both bought 250cc Rebels. Unfortunately, you know, Jax met in the accident, so you guys won't be able to see his live on camera, but I have a picture on the screen right now. Yeah, so Jax 250, wicked piece of 250, man. Alright, so now we reach the hospital, the University Hospital of the West Indies. Yeah, so I'm gonna just cut scene to when we get back audio. Yeah, you have to buy ignition switch and the gas tank key go different. Yes, people, so it's probably the UE hospital, you know. Look for virgin and thing. Yeah, bro, G, we're there up on the block. Said we, huh?
Yeah, me I said no, man.
Yeah,
my friend come out and
yeah, that.
Is it?
Yeah, that.
Don't worry, bro.
Yeah, that.
Yeah,
that. Yeah, that. Yeah, man. You bite them, and wait for you, you know. Gonna rev out again. Yeah, that. Yeah, that. Yeah, bro, we're there, man. So just a pack up and thing, get ready for left out and thing. Oh, we are go towards teammate though. Give him a call. Tell him say we are left you it take about 20 minutes. Yeah. Him can't wait, man. We are go straight, man. Too close inside, that's Chase and Coley. Who that? Oh bad. Get them little tires a while ago, dog. Tire, hey, the tire makes some noise, yeah. Now feel me one. Controlled. Yeah, I'm about fear too. Hey, the sound alone, it just Winch it out now, man. Feel the power. Feel the power. Feel the power. Man, but feel it safely, of course. Me nah stop to the robot. Me I tell you, feel the power, you take a little, but not go too hard, you see me? At station we are go. It a smoke. Boom, brother, it rub said we, you know. Oh, bad. Rat. Jaja. Alright, so we're up on the boulevard now. We're hit up our next spot. Yeah, so we're in Patrick City. Ah! Yo, GS bike had Spitfire a while ago, you know. Eh?
What is the What?
Yeah, the man there, same time. Low. You. Almighty pan bike back. What's him a will on? Shot. I love my shorty bread. I love my shorty bread. Yeah guys, so because there has been a lot of robberies out here, with man a lit man off a bike with rope, tie rope across the road. What we normally do when we are going, just shadow a vehicle. Yep. Just stay close to a vehicle. Yeah, people, so yeah, coolly reach back home safely. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that all the bikers are out there riding safely. Wear on gear, wear on a helmet, wear whatever gear you have. Be safe. You see me? Ease off of the racing thing on the road. Watch the driver them, drive out and watch the bike of them. You see me? And everybody just use the road carefully.
Alright? Bless up on yourself. Keep praying for my brothers. Those who met in accidents, those who, you know, were injured and so forth. Prayers are all up for everybody. Enough respect, enough blessings. Paradise. Oh.
And you told me you were different, I believe you when I'm stupid. Trying to fix all of these scars, but I just don't know what I'm doing. Sit back in my chair.